यस सर।
परफेक्ट। सो मैं अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ एक बार। सो बर्न ट्यून ओपन वर्कशॉप्स, we are going to hold a number of workshops like this where we want to train people to teach themselves how to learn music so that they can create an output. जब मैं output बोल रहा हूँ, again it's a video, a song that you're going to make that we can put on social media, Instagram, Facebook, I don't know, LinkedIn, जो भी आप लोग use करते हो. Okay, why are we doing this for free? That is, we are doing this because we think that there are a lot of talents out there, and not only talent in number of people who are actually doing songs every day, but also in everyday life बहुत सारे लोग छुपे होते हैं. Right, so technically speaking, I have picked you out from wherever you are so that we come together and learn music the way it's supposed to be learned, by song. Okay, what is the strategy? We are holding these online workshops with you guys, with more people, so that when you finish this workshop, you will have one thing that you need to return back to me, right? Consider me your guru and you my shishya, right? And the only guru dakshina I want from you guys is a song, is a video, is you putting, acha, ye gana nahi chal raha, this song is very hard, koi aur gana rakh lo. As many songs as you can put out there, अपने आप को जब आप रिकॉर्ड करोगे ना, आपकी 100 times more practice होगी कोई भी म्यूजिक स्कूल जाके, जो नहीं होती. ठीक है, cool. Membership, तो basically this is for everybody, this open workshop. But अगर आप में कोई है जो मतलब गिटार में intermediate है, wants to improve little bit, singing में अच्छे है, wants to get that higher note, wants to change the tone of your voice, उसके लिए we have some individualized sessions, but we'll have to figure it out after working together. Good. Okay, and specialization, right? So there are certain people in this community who will be more talented than the others. When I say talented, I'm not saying one person can play music so the other person is bekar. They might be very good in coding, they might be very good in IT, right? So we will use all of our strengths together to help each other out. Okay, which also means that there should be respect among us. Okay? You have come here for the sake of music. The most important thing that you can do when you go back is to consider that this is for brotherhood, this is for love amongst people, this is to respect everybody. All right, so no disrespecting and always encouraging each other. If somebody sings na 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 and the voice is bad, don't laugh, right? I mean, smile, encourage, right? But don't like discourage anybody. Cool. All right, so let me just take you through the session structure. Today is the first session, and I want to show you how music is made. What is music made up of? Cool. So let us try this first part. The number one thing that music is made up of is rhythm, right? Rhythm, tal, beats, right? जो आपके ढोलक होते हैं, drums होते हैं, EDM music होते हैं, they are all based on beats. And beats, as you know, goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, so let us try and practice this right now a little bit. मैंने यहाँ पे एक pattern डाली है आपके लिए visually, so you understand how to do it. Okay, so let me try this. फिर आप थोड़ा अपने हिसाब से कर लो, ठीक है? Let me slow it down. And every time we practice a beat, we must start with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, tab you start. Okay, so let me show you. For pattern 1, I will show you now. It's very easy. 1, 2, 3, start. Thumb, clap, clap, thumb, clap, clap. Try it. Thumb, clap, clap, clap. In your mind, you should be going 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should try it. You should try it. Okay. Do not feel shy. You're here to learn music, and I'm teaching you very beats. I'm not going like. Yeah, it will get there, but let's start at the basic. Okay. So let's try the next one. Okay, here we have a different pattern. Okay, and it goes thumb, clap, click, clap. See if you guys can try this. See if you guys can try this. Why? Because we don't have musical instruments here except for our voice and except for our bodies, right? So this is called body percussion. See me do it and try it yourself. Okay, thumb. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb, clap, click, clap. Thumb, clap, click, clap. thumb, clap, click, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, everything is based on that count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say if I speed this up, it will be like this. Can you do that? Can you do it as fast as me? 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes a little difficult, right? It becomes a little difficult. So practice. We have to practice beats like this, okay, in the beginning. Mudit, there's one noise coming from somewhere. Can you just?
वो उनके छत पे है। हाँ हाँ वो उनको लगा जो उनका है तो उनके
Karan, please can you mute?
Yeah. Okay, fine. We are back. Cool. Okay, let's try the last pattern.
Can you mute Karan, sir?
Yeah, done. Okay, let's look at the last pattern of rhythm. यहाँ पे there's something different happening. You have your 1, 2, but there are two chotu thumbs over here, right? So this goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me show you. All right. 1, 2, 3, start. Thumb, clap, thumb, thumb, clap. Thumb, clap, thumb, thumb, clap. You can try it. It's fun. Thumb, clap, thumb, thumb, clap. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Don't worry. Your document I'm showing you, I'll be sharing it with you so you guys remember what we spoke about the rhythm section. Okay. Now, the first part we told you about is rhythm, right? Rhythm is very important. Beats are very important in any song you take. You know, Indian song, international song, tal honi chahiye. Otherwise, that song doesn't sound like a song, right? It goes here, there's no organization. Cool? Right. Let's talk about the second part of song. What makes music? Melody. आपने ये have you heard of melody? Melody is very chocolatey. वो ad सुना होगा आपने टीवी पे, right? So what is melody? Melody is nothing but this sequence. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Now all of us have known, right? Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa at some point in your life. Even if you're a guitarist, you would have done that scale. Dang 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 dang. I'll show you. Right? This is my guitar. एक minute.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Can you hear me now? One second.
Yes, sir. Now it's.
Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Achha, okay. So, I'm not going to show you the PPT right now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the sound, and I want you to listen to the sound and and then try your Saregama Padanisas, okay? So, let me show you how I do it. See, one part of singing is that if you have an instrument or even a piano on your keyboard, it helps you a lot. Because first part of singing starts with listening, right? And for all the guitarists here, right? Even if you have a guitar, you must learn how to sing. So, जो आप बजाते हो गिटार में, that should become your reference to अच्छा ये ऐसे सुर में बजाना है. So let me show you. The first note I will sing, I will play. Right, I'll do that again. Right, so that becomes my sa. So I can say sa. Right. Now let's try and listen to the next note. Re. Let's go two notes. Sa. Re. Next. Ga. Next. Ma. Next. Pa. Next. Tha. Next. Ni. Last. Sa. Now I can go. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. For the male people here, your voice will match mine, but for the female, your voice might be starting from here. Sa re ga ma, because your voice is ऊपर में, ठीक है ना? तो वो consider करके you guys should try and sing a melody. So let's try it once, okay? So let me go one round. Then the next round, you guys sing along with me. The girls, you will be singing the higher pitch, okay, na? From here, sa, when I go sa, okay? So first, hear me out, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa. Sorry. Ma ga re sa. Okay, now you guys, okay? You're all muted. I don't want to hear you. मतलब मैं म्यूट करके रखता हूँ. Why? Because online में सब there's too much of chaos sounds. ठीक है? So go with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Now you must have realized कि middle में आपका your breath must have gone out, no? So it's very important. Every time you sing 2 or 3 notes, take a breath in, okay? You could have heard this even when I was singing, okay? So when I was going sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, मैं थोड़ा accent बढ़ा के बोल रहा हूँ, but air, you know, हवा, that is your fuel for singing. When you have fuel inside your voice, then you can sing very nicely. Also, you can sing very high. So, like, if I go from here, sa re ga ma pa dha. Okay, the last 2 notes, little high. So, you see how I did that? I did that with air in my voice and an ability to release it without putting any pressure on my throat. ठीक है ना? So we'll cover all of that. Okay, so one more time, you guys with me, and we will do the fun version. Okay, we'll do this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Then backwards. Sa ni dha pa ma pa ma ga re sa. You guys ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Sa re ga ma pa dha. Breathe. Pa dha ni sa. Breathe. Sa ni dha pa dha pa ma ga re sa. Okay, was that fun? Was that cool? Right? Okay, no, never ever tell yourself, okay, just because I'm a guitarist or a keyboard player, I'm not going to be able to sing. Sing, okay? Even if you have never done music before, sing, try, listen, start somewhere, okay? So let me show you now how a melody is used in a song. So basically, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa is ABCD of music. ठीक है ना? So there's a famous song I've written here. I think you have heard of it. Have you heard this song? It goes like, जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना में साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवा. Right? This is a very easy, very simple, very lovely song. इसका English version भी है. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Up, this thing that we sang, no, this is called melody. What they do is they take सारे गामा पाधा निसा उलट उलट के थोड़ा ये pattern हो जाता है. So can you see the pattern I've written here? The line 1. जब जब कोई बात बिखर जाए. This actually goes like this. Sa 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 ga ga re sa ga. I'll play it for you on the guitar. Sa sa ga ga re. Oh, I'm on a different pitch. Sorry. Sa sa. Okay. So sa 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 ga. What's happening? Huh? Sa sa ga ga re sa ga re sa re ga re sa tha tha sa re ga re sa tha tha sa re. Sorry, I'm reading it all wrong. Okay, so the first line I'll just try it. जब कोई बात बिखर जाए, that goes like सा सा गा गा रे सा गा. Right? उसके बाद जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, that goes here. रे सा रे गा रे सा धा. See, धा 0 means सा के पीछे भी ना नी होता है और उसके पीछे धा होता है. That's why I've written 0 over here. Not this धा, ऊपर धा नहीं, नीचे का धा. We'll try it out, okay? Then what's the next line? तुम देना मेरा साथ, तुम देना मेरा साथ, धा सा रे गा रे सा धा, ओ हम नवा. And this goes like pa pa dha sa. Wait, ये last line मैंने गलती से. There's something wrong with this last line. Okay, this last line is O hum nawa. Right? मैं बाद में लिख लूँगा. But I hope you understood how इस सारे गामा पाधा नीसा से हमने took out we took a few notes and वो note बन गया आपका melody. Now when you play keyboard and you play the scales सारे गामा पाधा नीसा and you have to play this melody on keyboard, then you will actually realize कैसे organize हुआ है ये. Okay, so sorry for this last one. हो सकता है मैंने कोई mistake कर दिया. मैं ये update करके I will share this link with all of you so that you can also study in your own time. Cool. So let's go to the last part. Now this is the part where the musicians come in, guitar, piano. What happens is when we are singing a song, right? When we are singing Jab koi baat bikhar jaye, and you hear a background music. Jab koi baat bikhar jaye, jab koi mushkil aa jaye, tum dena mera saath, o hum nawa. So मैंने गिटार में जो बजाया ना, that's like a background music that makes my voice not sound like a solo singer, ऐसे कि मेरे साथ एक band है, right? और ये this logic ये थोड़ा, how should I say, it's like time stable, time लगेगा, but for the guitarists who are here, the pianists who are here, you already know what I'm talking about, na? Right? ये chords are used with a song. So let me show you how a chord looks like on a guitar. तो यहाँ पे the first chord is written E major, right? This is the E major shape. आप ये YouTube भी कर सकते हो. What is E major on a guitar? ठीक है? So this is how it's held, and I'll play that. So when I say जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, so वो line 1 हो गया ना. फिर line 2 में जाते हैं हम. Line 2 में यहाँ पे जो मैंने बोला, this will come in a different chord. So अगर आप, if you can hear E major, what's the emotion? It's very happy, right? But then we'll go to a C sharp minor. यहाँ पे capitalization problem. Yeah, C sharp minor जाते हैं. So listen to C sharp minor compared to E major, which is very happy. C sharp minor is very sad. You hear that? right? Now see, the happiness and the sadness, ये use करके how we can make the song meaningful. जब कोई बात बिखर जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल आ जाए. You heard that effect? You know, almost like रुलाने की emotion आ गई, right? तुम देना, F sharp minor, one more sad note. Minor मतलब sad, right? तुम देना मेरा साथ. जब when I sing मेरा साथ, it becomes happy, right? And then the B major comes in. Okay? So let me show you everything. Okay? So E major looks like this, sounds like that. C sharp minor looks like this, sounds like that. F sharp minor and B major. So एक बार सुन लो how it sounds without the song. जब कोई बात बिखर जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल आ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. 1, 2. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You will hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Okay. So this is now the way that any song works. उसमें rhythm भी आता है. See, if I take away my guitar, I can use this rhythm also and sing. So thump, clap, thump, clap. जब कोई बात बिखर जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल आ जाए, तुम देना मेरा साथ, ओ हमनवा. See how the timing stays. Timing के साथ गाना है, ठीक है? Right? And then obviously focus on the melody also, right? The same song can be sung in different ways. So I will try the English version, ठीक है? Normal way. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Now I'll sing it with a little more accent, with a little more power. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. I will try to sing it now a little bit like more weepy, very emotional. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. So you see, आप अपना जो भी songs you have taken to sing, you can put different emotions in it, different expressions, and make it your way. And once your song is ready, then maybe you can get a keyboard, maybe you can use a piano, maybe you can even use like mobile में music maker apps होते हैं, by which you can set chords, right? And then you can sing along. If you miss the train I'm on, you would know that I am gone. You would hear the whistle blow, oh humnava. Okay, great. So that's basically the end of today's workshop. 1 minute.
Sir, I have some questions.
Yes, exactly. That's the reason why we were here. So now tell me about your questions.
Sir, actually, I have my first question that how many days we have this workshop totally?
So I'm thinking of holding 8 such workshops in which I'm gonna ask all of you all to sing, submit something, and try to see if we can make your song better and publish it. Okay? So I'm gonna hold 8 of such together workshops, right? But I hope that gives you a little bit of idea about me as a teacher, and you can always come back to me like when you are ready to release your music. Make sense? We will be
Sure, sir.
holding more
Sure,
workshops
sir.
in the future, but because you're already part of this, the next workshop might look again like beginner. Okay, but stick with us. Follow our
Okay, sir.
Instagram channel, right? It's not like a
Sure, sir.
there's an ending to this. Okay, great. Any more questions, guys?
Sir, I have one more.
Okay, go
Only
ahead.
one.
Go ahead.
Sir, actually, I want to like learn vocal, and I want to increase my like notes, my pitch of the volume, and I have guitar also, but I did not know how to play guitar.
Now, because you're joining us as a part of the Burnt Tune
Yes, sir.
community, we will be
Yes,
uploading a
sir.
lot of content. How to play guitar, how to play chords, how to sing so that the guitar can support you. A lot of that, right?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great.
सर
And
आई
we'll
हैव वन मोर आई हैव
yes, Saurav.
क्वेश्चन
Go ahead.
सर एक्चुअली मैं भी हिंदी में मतलब ऐसे म्यूजिक्स वगैरह और जो अपने मोबाइल्स में एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं ना
Hmm.
जो आते हैं म्यूजिक बनाने के लिए तो उसमें मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे ट्राई कर रहा था तो बीच में मेरा ऐसे मतलब एक रिदम लग गया था एक सॉन्ग है उस सॉन्ग मतलब एक्चुअली याद नहीं आ रहा वो तो उस सॉन्ग पे मैंने थोड़ा सा लिरिक्स ऐड किया था इन पंजाबी वे तो उस पे मुझे थोड़ा सा और ऐड करना है और मेरे दिमाग ही नहीं चल रहा है
अच्छा, okay, great.
तो वो
Good
सुनाऊं मैं
idea.
आपको
Abhi, because we have to end the workshop, I will not listen to you, but आप
या
you know my contact, right? जो भी आपके works और production है, आप मुझको DM कीजिए. I can get in touch with you,
या
and I can probably tell you कि आपके song में जैसे जो additions है, कैसे fit करने हैं, and how to perform it also.
श्योर
Okay, great. Any further questions? Vansh, yes. Should I ask you to
Yes,
unmute?
sir.
Yeah, go.
Sir, actually the problem is, sir, how to find my own voice. I mean, like you can make a fake voice and sing in a fake way, but it's better to sing with original. So
Good.
I'm so confused at what's my original voice.
Can you say Om? Can you say that?
No.
This is your original voice. Right? Now all you have to do
Yes, sir.
is make that Om into Sa and then rise. Re, Ga in your voice, okay? Somebody tells you sound like a goat. Somebody tells you sound like an owl. Don't listen to them.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, don't
Yes,
listen
sir.
to them. Go back, practice, and improve. See, the thing is, once you know your voice, then you are better to imitate others. But if you don't know your voice, you don't know how to imitate others. There's some people who talk like this. You know, I can talk like them because I know how to modulate my voice first, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So I think it all comes down to take your guitar, practice your scale, and just do your sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa on an everyday basis and listen. Am I hitting the right note? Is it matching? You know, you should feel it. Once you get something, DM me a WhatsApp video. I'll tell you how well it's going.
Thank you.
Okay? Great.
Thank you.
Awesome. Soumya, Megha, Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Any questions for the workshop?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, if you want to drive any Saregama Pop any song, how will I do it?
Okay, if you want to try Sare Gama Padha Nisa of any song, okay, first thing is see, I have a lot of knowledge for many years, so I can listen to a song, a new song, like let's say Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, okay, I will play it. I'll figure out, acha, this is sa sa pa pa tha tha pa mama ga ga re re sa, right? So one way you can do it is go to Google and write keyboard notes. keyboard notes of this song. Whatever song you're, like let's say air button. You want to find out the keyboard, the notes of air button, keyboard notes of air button. They will give you something like E, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, whatever it is, you give it to me. I'll come back and give you, I will change that for you. देखो क्योंकि what happens, no? See, in music, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Western music is actually C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So my question is, what letter is sa? C. Exactly. Exactly, right? Now there's a different family. Okay, जैसे अग्रवाल family होते हैं, Gupta family होते हैं. There's a different family which goes like this: D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. यहाँ पे सा क्या होता है?
D.
Exactly. You see? So I know all the families. क्योंकि हर song is based on a different scale, different pitch. Like मैंने जो गाना गाया ना, if you miss the train I'm on, I can sing it differently also. If you miss the train I'm on, and I can sing it even higher. If you miss the train I'm on. You see how my voice changed with each level?
Yes, sir.
So जो भी मतलब your song is whatever pitch, that is step number 1. Step number 2, find the note. Step number 3, देखो what numbering is the note. वो सारे गामा पाधा नीसा में क्या numbering आता है, then you will get to know the सारे गामा पाधा नीसा of that song. Got it?
Thank you, sir.
Great. So stick to this group. We will be sharing a lot more of such information. And how many of you are guitarists or already have a guitar at home? Over here, can I see?
I have a guitar, sir.
You have a guitar? You have a guitar? Vansh, we have 3 guitarists. Great. Soumya, you have a guitar or you just vocals?
I have guitar, sir.
Okay. So there are 4 guitarists here, right? And who are the people who are only vocals? Saurabh,
I'm
right?
Saurabh.
No problem. And Karan, you have a guitar or you?
Sir, not now because I'm at my nephew's home and my guitar is at my home. My own home.
घर में है ना? Guitar.
जी sir.
Okay, done. Okay, we are in a good start, guys. I'm very happy.
Yes, sir.
That I met all of you. Okay, so please, I will tell you. The thing is, I'm a marketing professional for Camp K12. जहाँ पे what we do is we connect with a lot of parents or we do online education. So I wanted to do something for music, for a lot of people. And I'm very glad that you have come for this first workshop. I will be uploading this on our YouTube page and sharing the links with you so you remember what we spoke about, plus the link to the document I made, right? But you guys have to promise me, right? You have to come back again and again, take the challenge of the songs that we give you, and also sing your own songs and make it ready. So can I have that with you? Can I have that promise?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Okay, this is going to be a lot of fun. Thank you for the patience, and we are done now.